Well, here I am sitting at my kitchen table again, here to talk about Ro. Today we're going to be talking about her barking. She has 3 levels of barking. The first level being a shyish, quiet bark, kind of sounding like she needs an inhaler. I call it the asthma bark. Her second bark is a level 2 bark. And it's a little bit louder than the level 1 and sounds a little bit more panicky. The final bark, well, thus far, is a level 3 bark. And it is a combination of a level 2 bark and her interpretation of a howl. It's kind of funny, but she thinks she's fierce, so try not to laugh. Ro is definitely not a watchdog, but that's okay. She doesn't need to be. But her barks sure are entertaining. What is it? Do you hear someone? Are you going to protect me? Are you going to save me?